Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel. You see the difference? Huge difference, right? Okay, that's LED bulb, guys, right here that we just installed. Check it out. Looks amazing. Look at the quality of it. The light is amazing. Look at the regular bulb that Mazda came with. Okay, and this is the difference, okay, in the bulbs. LED bulb here and regular bulb. So guys, today we'll show you how to install LED interior bulbs on a car. Okay, that's the company that we use. Okay, right here, we got them from Amazon. We ordered 10 of them. Yeah, we fell in love with those things. They work amazing. One thing we like about it is it doesn't make, okay, it doesn't produce heat, which is great. This one, original bulb, gets really hot. It can start melting that glass over time, and if you leave the door open or leave the light on for a long time, it might melt it. This one, it just feels cold to the touch. There is no heat like this one, so that's amazing. Uses less energy. So what we're going to do, okay, we will just go ahead, okay, and remove that one. There is only 2 clips holding usually those. Pretty simple, some differ. Okay, now we're going to pull the bulb out. Okay, right there. We're just going to pull it out and replace it with the other one. And this one is pretty tight, as you can see. Okay, installing the LED, just push it in. Okay, get it tight all the way, otherwise it will not turn on. And look at that, how bright it is. It looks amazing. Let me turn the light off again. Okay, and you can see inside both LED bulbs, and the quality of the light is amazing, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. Let's grow the channel together. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.